Are you looking to practice English conversation skills?
Join us for some engaging dialogue, with common questions and answers.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Did you have breakfast today?
Yes, I had toast and coffee.
Are you going to the party tonight?
Yes, I am planning to go.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I went to France last year.
What do you usually do in the evenings?
I like to relax and watch TV.
Will you study for the exam tomorrow?
Yes, I will study tonight.
Have you met my friend Sarah?
Yes, I met her last week.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I am going hiking with friends.
Have you finished your homework?
No, I am still working on it.
What are you doing after work?
I am meeting a friend for dinner.
Did you enjoy the movie we watched last night?
Yes, it was great.
Are you cooking dinner tonight?
Yes, I am making spaghetti.
Will you help me with this project?
Of course, I will help you.
Have you ever been to this restaurant before?
No, it's my first time here.
What's your favorite hobby?
I like playing guitar.
Are you going to visit your family next month?
Yes, I am planning to go home.
Did you watch the news today?
No, I missed it.
Will you join us for lunch?
Yes, I will be there in a few minutes.
Have you read any good books lately?
Yes, I just finished a mystery novel.
What's your dream vacation destination?
I would love to visit Japan.
Did you have a good day at work?
Yes, it was busy but productive.
Will you attend the meeting tomorrow morning?
Yes, I have it marked on my calendar.
Have you ever tried skydiving?
No, but I would like to someday.
What are your plans for the summer?
I am going on a road trip with friends.
Did you meet any interesting people at the conference?
Yes, I met some great contacts.
Will you go to the gym with me later?
Sure, I could use a workout.
Have you ever traveled solo?
Yes, I went backpacking in Europe.
What's your favorite type of music?
I like classical music.
Did you enjoy the concert last weekend?
Yes, it was amazing.
Will you help me practice English speaking?
Of course, I would be happy to help.
What time did you go to bed last night?
I went to bed around 11 p.m.
Did you have any plans for today?
Yes, I was going to go for a run.
Are you meeting anyone for lunch?
No, I'm just going to grab something quick.
Have you ever traveled by train?
Yes, I have taken the train a few times.
What will you do if it rains tomorrow?
I will probably stay indoors and enjoy.
Did you finish watching the movie we started?
No, I fell asleep halfway through.
Are you going to cook dinner tonight?
No, I think I will order takeout instead.
Have you ever tried chili potato?
Yes, and I love it.
What's your favorite season?
I like autumn because of the cool weather.
Will you join us for game night tomorrow?
Yes, I am looking forward to it.
Did you have a chance to call your parents?
Yes, I spoke to them this morning.
Are you planning any trips for next year?
Yes, I am thinking of going hiking in the mountains.
Have you ever taken a language course?
Yes, I studied Spanish in college.
What time will you be home tonight?
I should be home by 8 p.m.
Did you see the new exhibit at the museum?
No, I have not had a chance to go yet.
Are you going to watch the game on TV tonight?
Yes, I am a big fan of the team playing.
Have you ever tried bungee jumping?
No, I am too scared of heights.
What's your favorite thing to do on weekends?
I like going for hikes in nature.
Will you help me with my English homework?
Of course, I will do my best to help you.
Did you enjoy the concert last night?
Yes, it was an unforgettable experience.